So by now we understand that processes have variation. So if I take 10 bearings coming out of the same production line, all these 10 bearings might have different sizes. But now take another scenario where I have this one particular bearing which I am taking the measurement of, and I am taking a measurement at a specific place. So one bearing, same place. If I take one measurement and that measurement comes out to be 52.00. So I note down that this bearing has a diameter of 52.00. Now for some reason, let's say I take the second measurement of the same bearing at the same place. Let's say this time it comes out to be 52.01, slight difference. Then which of these reading is correct? Oh, I might say that there might have been some mistake. Let me take a third reading, and based on that I will see which one is right. I take the third reading. This time it comes out to be, let's say, 51.99. Which one of these is the right reading? I don't know. So when we are talking of measurement system, there are two types of values. One is the true value and the second is the reference value. True value is the exact value of that measurement. Let's understand here that true value is, which is the actual value, is unknown most of the times. You really cannot find out the true value of any measurement. True value most of the times is unknown. But what we are referring to here is the reference value. Reference value is value which we take as acceptable value. So two things which you need to remember here is the true value, which is the actual measurement. Most of the time that's unknown. Because why it's unknown? Because measurement itself has fluctuation. You really cannot take exact measurement of that because there are fluctuation in the measurement itself. But then in place of true value, what we consider is, we consider the value which we measure as the reference value, which we consider is the right value or the actual value.